Have you ever wanted to buy something in an Arabic speaking country but froze because you couldn't say the price? Or maybe you struggled to tell someone your phone number or your age? Don't worry. Today I'm going to teach you how to use numbers in Arabic conversations like a pro. Whether you are shopping, making friends, or simply asking the time, Arabic numbers are your key to confidence. Let's jump in. First, let's go over the basic numbers from 1 to 10. Here they are. 1 واحد واحد 2 اثنان اثنان 3 ثلاثة ثلاثة 4 أربعة أربعة 5 خمسة خمسة 6 ستة ستة 7 سبعة سبعة 8 ثمانية ثمانية 9 تسعة تسعة 10 عشرة عشرة. Now let's use them in sentence. For example, I have 3 books. You can say it in Arabic. عندي ثلاثة كتب. I have 3 books. Say it in Arabic. عندي ثلاثة كتب. Another sentence is she has 2 pens. عندها قلمان. عندها قلمان. She has 2 pens. عندها قلمان. Now, let's move on to time, a super important part of daily conversation. If someone asks you, كم الساعة الآن? Which means, what time is it now? Here's you can reply. For 3 o'clock, you say in Arabic, الساعة الثالثة. الساعة الثالثة. If you want to reply in Arabic and you want to say 3 o'clock in Arabic, say it الساعة الثالثة. For 5:30, it's الساعة الخامسة والنصف. الساعة الخامسة والنصف. If you want to reply, the time is 5:30. Say it in Arabic. الساعة الخامسة والنصف. For 7:15, say it in Arabic. الساعة السابعة والربع. الساعة السابعة والربع. الساعة السابعة والربع. Let's try a simple conversations. كم الساعة الآن? What time is it now? It's 2:30. الساعة الثانية والنصف. The time is 2:30 الساعة الثانية والنصف. Practicing time phrases in an easy way to impress native speakers. Now let's move on to shopping and numbers. Shopping is where numbers are absolutely essential. Let's imagine you are at the market. How much is this? كم سعر هذا؟ كم سعر هذا؟ If you want to ask how much is this in Arabic, say كم سعر هذا؟ كم سعر هذا؟ If shopkeeper says it costs 20 riyals, shopkeeper will say سعره 20 ريالا. سعره 20 ريالا. It costs 20 riyal. سعره 20 ريالا. If you think it's too expensive, you can politely bargain. In the bargaining, if you want to say, can you lower the price? Say it in Arabic. هل يمكن أن تخفض السعر؟ هل يمكن أن تخفض السعر؟ هل يمكن أن تخفض السعر؟ Can you lower the price? Here's another example. You are buying fruits. The shopkeeper says 1 kilo of apples is 15 riyals. Shopkeeper will say in Arabic, كيلو التفاح بخمسة عشر ريالا. كيلو التفاح بخمسة عشر ريالا. كيلو التفاح بخمسة عشر ريالا. And if you are paying, you can say تفضل 50 ريالا. تفضل 50 ريالا. Here's 50 riyals. تفضل 50 ريالا. Easy, right? How would you say 37 riyals in Arabic? Write it in the comment. Now let's move on to talking about age and phone number. Numbers also come in handy when talking about age and phone number. So firstly, we'll talk about the age. To ask how old are you, say it in Arabic. كم عمرك? كم عمرك? To reply, you say, I'm 25 years old. Say it in Arabic. عمري 25 سنة. عمري 25 سنة. I'm 25 years old. عمري 25 سنة. Now let's talk about the phone numbers. Arabic phone numbers are spoken digit by digit. For example, my phone number is 123456789. Say it in Arabic. رقم هاتفي هو 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Now you have learned how to use Arabic numbers in time, shopping, phone numbers, and more. It's time to practice. Next time you are with a friend, try asking them the time or their age in Arabic. And if you are traveling, use these phrases at the market. It will impress the locals. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more videos. I would love to hear from you. What's one Arabic number you find tricky? Let me know in the comments and I will help you out. Until next time, ma'a salama.